how to use Snapchat stories for businesses. So first thing I recommend you guys do is set up your public profile. For that, get in your Snapchat, then tap on your profile, tap on the settings icon. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you can see public profile settings. Tap on that one. Make sure that all of these are enabled just like this. Make sure all these toggle buttons are enabled. After doing that, the next tip that I recommend you guys is embrace the low-fi style. Do not upload highly polished corporate advertisements on your story, since Snapchatters hate the overproduced content. Shoot raw, unedited, vertical videos directly on the smartphone to make your business look like a human friend in their daily feed. So for the third one I recommend you guys do is keep clips between 5 to 10 seconds. Audiences on Snapchat tap through stories faster than on any other platform. Keep your videos segments incredibly short to hold their attention span and to secure high completion rate. So for the another tip that I want you guys to do is always attach swipe up links. Every time you showcase a product, showcase a behind the scenes work, or offer a discount, use a paperclip icon on the editing sidebar that you see before uploading your story. This forces a direct call to call action, allowing users to shop your store instantly without leaving the app. So for the last one, design for sound off viewing. A massive portion of user watch Snapchat story completely on mute, so always layer a bold high contrast text overlays or use Snapchat native auto captions so your message is instantly clear even without the audio. After following all of these tips, I'm pretty sure that it will be very helpful for your business. And that's it.